living through the body, only through the body, is disgrace. Only through essence you know the core of existence. You have to begin from your being, not from outside. No beliefs, no temples, no churches, no gurus. Anybody cannot give you the truth. Only simple process of self-realization with observation, it works. Repression is against nature. Dignity of character comes out only by expression. Meditation is expression. Meditation is expansion. Meditation is exploration. Meditation is explosion. Body is only a circumference of your being. You have to use all these enclaves to go to your center. Preserve the fragrance of my words. You are born with a great potential. You have to realize it. You have to realize. You have to learn to move from known to unknown, from visible to invisible direction. You have to investigate in meditation and go deep into the states of unknown, the levels of unknown, or the dimension of unknown. You will realize this is unknowable. Body is, as I told you, an existential reality, transcendental reality. But you have to analyze, you have to feel, you have to realize, you have to discover, you have to explore. This is meditation. Meditation is exploration, inner exploration. It is not about anatomy or it is not about physiology. It is more than that. It's a bigger science. You cannot be truthful if you are not courageous. You need courage to go in. Life is only in fearlessness.